The reason why this summit has been conceptualized today. Ladies and gentlemen, we are very privileged to have with us Srimati Surma Padhi, the Honorable Speaker of the Odisha Legislative Assembly, as the chief guest. Processes are conducted with decorum, fairness and respect for diverse voices, reflecting her commitment to inclusive leadership and effective institutional governance. A seasoned legislator, she has
years of our statehood and align ourselves with the national vision of Bikasit Bharat 2047, we stand at a defining moment in our developmental journey. As we know, Odisha is the linguistic state and the first and the only linguistic state formed in the year of 1936, and being 1936 being the birth year of Odisha, we are going to celebrate the 100th year of Odisha in 2036. At this juncture, the government has people of Odisha gave mandate to a government who could think of the Asmita, the progress and prosperity of Odisha, and whose first and foremost duty is to make Odisha a Bikasit Odisha. And at this juncture, you people who have experience, who have knowledge, and who have explored the same in different other states of India, and we invite you all to this state to make this state Bikasit Odisha before 2036 reach, and we can become a growth engine of 100 years of our independence, which comes in the year of 20. For industries and investments alone, but it is rooted in our people. Our people have talent, resilience, innovation, and aspiration, for which we could think of it, we could dream of it. And my dear friends, I am also pleased to note that the Indian Chamber of Commerce, ICC is also celebrating its centenary year. But a good coincidence. Its centenary year, a remarkable milestone in institutional leadership and nation building. There could be no better opportunity than this historic moment to align the Chamber's legacy of industrial leadership with the government's transformative vision of Bikasit Odisha 2036 and Bikasit Bharat 2047. The government of Odisha firmly believes that human capital development lies at the heart of this vision. Economic transformation cannot be sustained without investing in people, in their skills, capabilities, leadership potential, and aspirations. Our development strategy is designed to convert Odisha's demographic dividend into a lasting demographic advantage by integrating employability, entrepreneurship, and institutional excellence into governance. Governance and institutional strengthening are also key pillars of our roadmap. By leveraging technology for transparency, efficiency, and service delivery, we are building accountable systems and responsive institutions. Ethical leadership, data-driven decision-making, and public-private collaboration will define the next phase of Odisha's progress. At this important juncture, I wish to assure the HR fraternity, the industry leaders, the institutions who are present here, that the government of Odisha will stand firmly with you. We are committed to supporting progressive HR, inclusive workplace policies, and also skill development initiatives, including women force and youth force of this state, and collaborative platforms that strengthen the human capital. The CEOs and CHROs, expert speakers, and in presence of all other dignitaries, the discussions of this summit will be fruitful, and all will socio-social cultural system and they must plan, check out plan for what could be necessary for progress of Odisha. सहित आत्मप्रत्ययर आवश्यकता रही। अगर हम सोचें तो उड़ीसा ऐसे एक स्थान है जहाँ से अगर हम भारतवर्ष की कोने कोने से देखेंगे तो उड़ीसा के यूथ वहाँ पर काम कर रहे हैं। यहाँ तक कि विदेश में भी जितने सारे टैलेंटेड पर्सन्स, इसलिए मैं कहती हूँ कि उड़ीसा में बुद्धि है, गरिमा है, टैलेंट है और परिश्रम यानी लगन से काम करने वाले युवा शक्ति भी उड़ीसा में है। आज नहीं, कई सालों से लोग देश और विदेश में अपना नाम कमा रहे हैं, लेकिन सिर्फ इतना तक सीमित नहीं है। आज अगर हम ध्यान से देखें, उड़ीसा की माइग्रेंट लेबर जो उड़ीसा के बाहर काम करते हैं, दूसरे प्रांतों का विकास में जिनकी हाथ लगी हुई है कई सालों से, वो लोग भी अपने क्षेत्र में अपना कृतित्व के कारण, अपने कर्मठता के कारण वो उड़ीसा की परिचिति बनाई है। लेकिन क्या हो गया उड़ीसा का? क्यों उड़ीसा में इन सब का जो शक्ति है, जो उच्च है, उसको तो क्यों उपयोग में नहीं लाया गया, ये बात है। और इस विषय से मैं आपसे आग्रह करूँगी कि आप लोग अभी हम अगर सोचें तो आप लोगों के सामने में क्या बताने की आवश्यकता है। टूरिज्म का इम्पोर्टेंस देते हुए टूरिज्म की बढ़ावा करना चाहिए और साथ ही साथ जैसे जैसे इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन होगा तो उड़ीसा के युवा शक्ति जो है, जो महिला शक्ति है, जो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स है, उनको भी उत्साहित करते हुए उनमें अपना स्किल डेवलपमेंट कराने का आवश्यकता है। क्योंकि बिग इंडस्ट्री नीड्स some ancillary industries, and for that the people of Odisha and the people of the laborers of Odisha should be skilled enough to place there. So that's why Odisha has talent, Odisha has vision, and Odisha has the determination. At this juncture, partnership with association bodies like Indian Chamber of Commerce is vital for all the industries. Here I could know that Indian Chamber of Commerce is the mother of all HR work. So I welcome you. I congratulate the ICC HR leaderships, ICC HR, because they are also celebrating the 100 year of their goal.
Just set a context because our chairman, as already my colleague has already kind of given you a quick understanding of what this platform is all about, and but nevertheless, I'll just take you through a platform on SaaS model with promise to reposition HR from a legacy transactional cost center to a growth enabler. So now the question is what it means for all of us, all these key stakeholders. For MSMEs especially, it is going to be literally a virtual HR desk with plug and play tools for total compliance and managing workplace governance, regulatory issues, thereby bring down almost 30 to 40% in transactional administrative cost with a rapid payback of 4 to 15 months. So that is what MSME kind of leverage this platform for real-time monitoring of contractor supply chain partners for in workforce deployment, compliance status, occupational health safety. And for academia, I guess we have talked about this to bridge the talent gap, I think that disconnect. I'll not get into that further. And for, it offers a policy pulse loop, providing real-time data-driven policy review insights to revisit ease of doing business and upgrade technical education and strengthening the skilling ecosystem. Win-win scenario solution for the key stakeholders to move out of their individual silos and to talk to each other and to get into a meaningful engagement and collaboration mode.
Is rising from heritage to high growth, from potential to global ambition. A bold vision now stands before us, a $500 billion economy,
Yet beneath this ambition lies a critical challenge. Industry seeks skilled talent. Academia produces graduates. Government launches transformative schemes. But the alignment is missing. Gaps remain unidentified. Workforce planning remains reactive. Opportunities and talent remain disconnected. Growth slows, not because of lack of potential, but because of lack of integration. What if there was a single intelligent gateway connecting every pillar of growth? Introducing HR Nexus, the Human Capital Gateway, an AI-powered single-window platform driven by an advanced AI GRC engine. At its core lies intelligent orchestration. It maps skills, it forecasts demand, it detects capability gaps, it aligns policy with performance, transforming raw data into strategic decisions for industry and MSMEs. Predictive hiring, verified talent pipelines. For academia, dynamic curriculum aligned to real market demand. For government, real-time ecosystem intelligence and policy impact tracking. For talent, personalized skill pathways and direct access to opportunity. From reactive hiring to predictive workforce intelligence. From isolated initiatives to a unified human capital ecosystem. From unemployment to employability. HR Nexus is not just a platform. It is the digital backbone of Odisha's workforce revolution. Powering skills, aligning industry, accelerating growth. Building Odisha's $500 billion future.
HR Nexus.
Solution, how we can bridge the gap between industries and institutions. And first of all, thank you so much, ma'am, for your consent and being here with us within a short notice. And coming to the solution part, Job School Hire AI is comprehensive AI-powered interview product engineered to redefine how organizations at scale hire or they deploy the talent.
We've streamlined the entire hiring process.
The analytics dashboard gives us real-time insights.
This collaboration is exactly what we needed.
Job School Hire AI. Hire smarter, hire faster, hire fair.
Wonderful, thank you.
ICC HR Leadership Summit 2026.